Yeah, so it kind of muddies the waters to some extent, but really, as you said, it's more of seems like a potentially going in circles type of discussion and argument. And just last question, I mean, you already said you believe that this probably will be, bumped back down to Judge Chutkan at the district court level. How long do you think that might take, though, the Supreme Court final question to actually make a determination on what they're
Yeah,
going
I
to
don't want to say it probably will be bumped down. It's my fear it might be, and there was a hint of that today. But if it is bumped back down on remand, it could take quite a while. I mean, Tanya Shukin is a terrific judge. I'm sure she'll be efficient, but all of that takes some time, and it also depends where in the term this court decides this case, renders its decision, and releases its opinion.
Yeah, that's
That could
when do you
take
think
some
when do you
time.
think they're going to release a decision
Yeah,
too?
I mean, suppose they release it deep into August, right? And then it doesn't get to Judge Chutkin until sometime in September. We really could be talking about a trial that doesn't start till November. That wouldn't be hard. And so that I think is really an outcome that I would hope this court would want to avoid because it puts the trial on a collision course with the election. And that in itself, I believe, given what we saw on January 6, 2021, is a national security risk in and of itself. I mean, we had an insurrection and people committing seditious conspiracy breaking into our Capitol building. Do the justices really want to risk that kind of reoccurrence with this case?
Well, this case is just one in a number that he is dealing with right now, and we'll see how those play out in terms of the timeline as well. But Professor Finkelstein, I really appreciate your time because you gave really insightful analysis on the immunity issue and the Supreme Court's arguments on this. So I thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Liane.